Hey guys, welcome back. Feeling stuck at your support job? Want to switch to developer from your support job but don't know how? No problem. Today I came before you to share how to transition from support role to developer. Usually people feel stuck at support jobs because there is no learning, no growth, and even most of the people don't like working in rotational shifts like that. So today let's discuss about how to complete your career transition smoothly from a support role to a developer role. There are two ways, guys, while transition from support role to developer role. Let's discuss one by one. The first way is transitioning your career internally in the same company which you are working right now. Usually in every company there will be many career transition programs happening. Enroll yourself to that programs, and there will be some kind of training programs conducted by every company every month. There will be some schedule release. Please enroll to them, try to complete certifications, and express your interest to your manager. Explore opportunities with your help of colleagues or friends in your companies. But it's a better truth. Now what I'm going to say, 99% times it will not help you. Transitioning your career internally, it's very hard task, because even if you don't like the project, if we ask our manager for release, even for that also they'll not accept. How they can easily help us with the career transitions? So never rely on the managers blindly. Please don't destroy your careers. Okay, let's go to our way to transitioning your career externally. It means by switching to other company. You may ask me, I don't have any experience in development at all. I'm currently working in support. Then how I can easily transition my career from support to development externally? That's the reason today I came before you to explain step by step process how you can transition your career. Let's start with the step one. Selecting your tech stack. Usually in market there are many technologies and tools which are in trending, right? Now we have AI in trending, Gen AI, and we have also some other tools which have many job openings like Spring Boot, Java, React, full stack development roles, and some tools like Guidewire, SAP, ServiceNow, and many more. First of all, you need to select one of the tech stack. You may ask me, what are the factors we need to consider before selecting a tech stack? We need to consider few things, guys. How you want to go with your career? What are your career goals? It means you need to question yourself. You want to be a developer, like back-end developer, or a front-end developer, or a FSD? If it's come to back-end developer, if you like logics, then if you are good at coding but still stuck in a support project, you can go for the back-end roles. If you feel I'm good at visualizations, I like working on a UI, then you can go for React. If you are good at both, then you can go for full stack development roles. And some people feel like they feel so much burden when it's come to learning Java, React, because they are very vast. Every time we will get a release, we need to learn a lot of things. So you can go for some tools. Usually tools have a bit low exposure compared to this open source programming languages. Some tools are even tools have learning, I accept, but they're bit better than this Java or Python kind of languages, right? And remember one thing, you need to remember regarding your growth and salary also when you are selecting these tech stacks. For example, Java and Python have vast openings in the market. Even the salary is good and the competition is also good. But if it's come to tools like SAP, Guideware, they have very less openings, but the salaries are higher sometimes compared to the even to the Java developers. I have seen some of my friends who are working in tools earning more than this developer full stack developers. But the problem here is the market, when the market is not good, the openings are very low for this kind of tools. But if it's come to Java or Python, whatever the market situation is, we can easily change the company. We need to consider these factors before selecting your tech stack. And if it's come to a second step, build your core programming skills. As we are in support projects, we don't have much exposure to code, right? Usually we are working on some routine tasks and writing some kind of scripts. Some people will just monitor logs, that's it, or restarting servers. So whenever you are picking some tech stack, for example, let's consider React, you need to master JavaScript, HTML, CSS because they are open source, right? You can go to random W3 schools or any tutorial on YouTube and you need to master them before starting with React or Spring Boot, whatever it is. I mean the main framework which you want to work on. Step number 3, choose right learning path and learning source. Remember guys, it's the one of the most important step. You need to find a good Udemy course or some reputed training institute. Some people are good self learners, they don't like guided learning part. Then please select good Udemy course, buy it and complete it. Some people are not good at self learning, they need some help, then go for training institute, they can guide you. But while learning this kind of frameworks from institute or Udemy courses, please try to build POCs separately. For example, let's assume I'm selecting React, please build some calculator applications. Okay, but don't stop with only small application. Try to build some kind of real-time chart applications. You may think it's a very hard thing for us because we are not into the coding, but remember one thing, now we have ChatGPT and many more resources which will help us a lot. We need to build a lot. Try to maintain some personal GitHub repositories, because whenever you are trying to learn something, add your code to repositories. From the next time when you want to refer some code, some part of concept, you can easily refer it from repository, because it's very hard, right? Sometimes we will find some resource and later if you want that, we cannot find it easily. So try to put everything at some place like your personal repository, and even it's a good thing to showcase to your interviewer that you know all these concepts. Build some GitHub repository and try to open some Blogger which is your personal one. Okay, if it's come to Google Blogger, it's a free, guys, it's a free and free thing to open. Even I have a Blogger website. If I was preparing something, I will be adding it there. So whenever I want to refer it, I can easily refer it. There is no need for my mobile only or book or something else. You can go to the website and you can easily refer it. So try to do these things. And let's go to the next step. Step 4. Try to learn some real-time scenarios. You can ask your colleagues or friends who are working in the technology, now which you opted for. Sit with them, ask them what are the real-time problems you are facing, what are the production bugs, how you are solving them. Try to look at their Jiras. Ask them to explain their projects end-to-end flow. It will not take much time. Even I have explained my project and my Jiras to many of my friends many times. Please ask them, request them if really needed, because it's important for our career. Whenever you are confronting your interviewer, nowadays people not blindly asking interview questions, they are also asking real-time scenarios. What the real-time scenario which you implemented? If you don't know that, you will lose that interview, right? Try to learn knowledge, get knowledge about these real-time scenarios or production bugs, how they are solving it. Okay, let's go to our next step. Prepare your resume very smart way. Resume is very important, and remember one thing, never mention that you worked in a support project. You need to mention like I worked in a development project. You may say I not worked in a development project, I don't have idea what points I need to add. Please get points from your friend's resume or colleague's resume. Get multiple resumes. Even if you request someone on LinkedIn also, they will share their resume. If you really feel you are not getting resume, just tell them that your company have openings. No problem. In Little Eyes, if someone usually post in LinkedIn, right, that I am looking for job opportunities like that, ping them, say them our company have openings, I am going to refer you. Then you will get some resumes like that. If you really have openings in your company, it's okay, refer them. Else at least refer their resumes and add some point into a resume. But remember one thing, don't add end to end. Usually people I have observed, they'll add many things. Even if I ask, I had some interview experience, have interviewed some candidates. Even if you ask basic things about some concept, they'll not explain. Please add whatever you know. For example, you are learning Spring Boot, just add Spring Boot, Hibernate, JPA like that. If you don't have microservices, please don't add it. If interviewer asks, just tell him we never got opportunity. You are trying to learn it like that. And next step is referring interview questions on social media platforms like LinkedIn or YouTube. Usually people are posting their interview experience these days on LinkedIn or YouTube, right? Even in many YouTubers are posting their experiences. For example, even in my channel, I have some videos. I'll be attaching a link in my description, refer to it. Then you will get some idea what I'm referring to. Okay. And the final step is apply for jobs, learn and learn. Please ask for referrals on LinkedIn or in your friend circle. Try to get referred as much as possible, because these days referral have more power than getting calls from recruiters by uploading our resumes to Naukri. But that's what I observed from my personal experiences. Referrals have more power. Okay, try to get referred and don't give up. People usually give 4 to 5 interviews and they feel we are done, but don't give up. Learn and learn and learn. One day you will crack an interview for sure. Okay. If you like this video, please share it to your friends too. If you have any queries regarding job switch or anything, please comment it in comment section. I'll be answering whenever it is possible. Thank you guys for watching my video up to end.